Here's the real answer to whether you can play Valorant on Linux. A lot of Windows-only games now run well on Linux thanks to compatibility layers like Proton, but Valorant is a different story entirely. The game uses an aggressive anti-cheat system called Vanguard, which runs deep inside the operating system and needs direct access to the Windows kernel to verify nobody is cheating. You might think Wine or Proton could work around this, but they cannot. When you try running Valorant on Linux, the game itself might technically install, but Vanguard immediately blocks it from launching since it detects the system is unsupported and stops everything right there. At the moment, there is no reliable way to play Valorant natively on Linux. What most Linux gamers end up doing is dual booting, running Linux for everyday tasks and switching to a separate Windows installation specifically to play Valorant. It is not a perfect solution, but right now it is essentially the only one available. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.